Welcome to Dante Computer Solutions. We are going to discuss about Microsoft Office Publisher. It is mostly used to design cards, calendars, invitation cards, and so forth. In our first exercise, we are told the finger below shows a publication designed using a DTP program. A DTP program is a desktop publishing program. So we use it to answer the questions that follow. We open a DTP program, then we make the following page settings. One, we have the page orientation, which is landscape. Landscape. Then we have the paper size. We have the paper size, which is A4. And after that, we create the publication to appear as shown in the finger below, ensuring that the publication covers the entire printable area of the paper size. So we save the publication as certificate in the folder given. So we are requested to create something similar to this. Therefore, we open the publisher program. So you can go to the search button, then you search for publisher. So mine is here. I just open it. I maximize. Then I click on a blank page, the first one. I choose blank page. After that, I proceed to page design, where we have the page orientation. Under the page orientation, we are requested to choose landscape. Therefore, we click landscape. Still under the page design, we have the size. We are requested to use A4. Therefore, we click A4. I'll zoom a little bit. So I have A4. After that, I proceed to insert. Then I choose draw text box. You long press at the corner of this page and drag it downwards up to the other corner on the right side to have something like that. After that, I click on format. We have two formats here, so I choose the first format. And then I proceed to the shape outline. I click on the weight to indicate the width of the page border. So you can choose any of your choice. I can choose that one. And then I click on the home tab. I press center. After that, I can bold. And then I increase the font size. So I can use around size 36. Then I type the information given. After that, I click enter. I remove the bold. I can reduce the size to around 20. Then I can type the information given. So I can bold again, increase the size. I can use around 28 to type that. I can increase the size again. Let's use around 36. For that, I click enter. I remove the bold. Then we reduce the size to around 20 and we continue to type the information given. I click enter. Then I long press the full stop. You long press the full stop. Then you click enter and type the information. So that is it. After that, I can highlight the TH for the 28th. We apply what we call the superscript. So I click on that and you can see that the TH is raised above the letters. The 31st, you just click there. You highlight the text first, then you click on the superscript. So after that, we proceed to insert. We choose another text box. We click draw text box. We can draw a box inside here. We can proceed to increase the size to around 20. Then I long press the shift key and I click the underscore. I press the underscore several times. You click enter again. You apply another one. Just click enter. The spacing is a bit little, so I can expand it a little bit. Yes, to appear like that. Then I can just copy this. I click copy, then I paste. Because they are similar, I just move this and place it there. Place it there. Therefore, we just type the text inside. Click on the next one. We type as well. You click the tab button to space. Then we type that. I click below to type. I click outside. So we have that. I can highlight the patron and bold it, bold the text. To bold, we just click the B. I can highlight the secretary. I bold it. Yes. So after that, I proceed again to insert. I choose again the text box. Just draw a text box here. The size, we can use size 20. Click on the Home tab and we press at the center. We type the text given. Use capital letters. Yes, we have something like that. After that, we reduce the size a little bit. Then we rotate. You long press on this button, the green button, to rotate that text. So that you can have something similar to that. As well, you can try to bold the text. Yes. So that is it. After that, we proceed to insert. We click on the shapes and then we pick this shape. Under the flowchart, you click this shape, the oval or the circle with the hex lines. Then you just draw them here. After that, we have a format here, the shape styles. It appears automatically. You click the button below for more options and you choose the one with color black. So that is it. So that is it. After that, you can try to go to the page design and then you try to change the background. So you can change to use the background of your choice. You can choose the background of your choice. So I'll choose, for example, I'll choose this one. I just press on this one. You can choose any of your choice. So you can pick a blue color. We pick that one. And that is the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe as well as to share with your friends. Thanks.